In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 27 beta for free on your iPhone in under 5 minutes. This update brings some really exciting brand new features, and I know many of you are excited to try it out. The first things first, iOS 27 beta is available for the iPhone 11 or later. These are the list of compatible iPhones that can run iOS 27. Unfortunately, if you are using iPhone XS or older, this update won't be available for your device. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is charged to at least 80%. You also need to have a fast Wi-Fi connection to download this massive update. Also, make sure you have at least 25 GB of free space available on your iPhone to download iOS 27 beta. And most importantly, back up your data using iCloud. Now, these betas can be unstable. You don't want to risk losing any of your files, so back up your data. If possible, avoid installing the beta on your main iPhone. Use a secondary iPhone if you have one. Next, open Safari and head over to this website and sign in with the same Apple ID that's linked to your iPhone. Then accept the license agreement. Once it's done, go to Settings, General, Software Updates, and turn on Beta Updates and choose iOS 27 Developer Beta. Now you should see the iOS 27 beta ready for download. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you can download and install iOS 27 beta on your iPhone in just a few minutes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.